Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we have another unboxing. It's the October edition of Glossybox. Now they actually sent me over 2 boxes. So you guys want to see what I got inside, what my thoughts are, well then definitely keep on watching. Alright guys, so Glossybox is a makeup subscription box that retails for $21 a month. They do have different levels of subscriptions that you can get, but if you want to subscribe, it is $21 a month. I do believe they offer free shipping. It is based off in the UK. I actually do have a discount code with them. It's code Allie, which will make your first box $16, which I think is absolutely fantastic. But they've been so kind to me. They've been sending me boxes now for the last couple months, and they actually sent me 2 this month. Now, these 2 boxes are going to have the same products inside. There are 2 different variations, but with different designs. So you already know that I'm going to probably end up putting a whole box into my No Waste Wednesday, but I definitely still want to unbox both so we can see what we got, what type of design we have, and yeah, let's definitely get on into this. Now, I believe that this box is like comparable to like Ipsy here in the United States, but this is sold over in the UK that they do now branch out into the US. And they do like some really cool like special like holiday stuff. I know that like I saw Chrissy Harless's like Mother's Day special where they did like an Easter egg and whatnot. They offer like really cool things all the time. So, whoa. Okay, so this first box is called Midnight Fantasy, The Beauty Tales. Now, I have got to say, yes, Glossybox is a little pricey because they mostly offer deluxe size samples. Sometimes you do get full size samples, but it just depends. But what I would definitely say is that they really put a lot of work into their packaging and making it very unique, having a lot of fun. Like, I know with like Ipsy and Boxy, you kind of have the same standard box, but with this one right here, they actually tried to make it super pretty. And it's just in time for the Halloween for them to have like a really nice looking box. So this is the Midnight Fantasy, The Beauty Tales. So let's see what's inside. This is a gorgeous box. Like, I actually might keep this box. So as always, they do wrap up their products. They really do take great care of their packaging, which I always appreciate. Inside, we do have a little pamphlet with all the items that are going to be featured inside this box. So the first thing I see, well, first off, it's gold wrapping. So the first thing I see is this Ciate London translucent setting powder. Now again, they do offer deluxe size samples. So this right here is called the Deluxe Mini, and this retails for $18.98 for this deluxe size, but the full size retails for $22. So not too much of a difference. I actually have so many of these setting powders because Ipsy and BoxyCharm, I guess they really love partnering up with Ciate London, so they always have these in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this into my No Waste Wednesday just because I literally already have 2 sitting in my drawer right now. I don't need to add another one, but that's actually really cool. It's nice to see a makeup product in here. Next, there is this Earth Harbor Aurora Superfood Luminous Ampoule. Oh, here we go with names I don't know how to say. Okay, so this is full of sea greens, cannabis, sativa, hemp oil, and grapeseed oil. This therapeutic serum will energize and soothe the skin while introducing dewy luminance. Say goodbye to redness, dullness, and irritation. So this is the full size right here. So this actually retails for $32. Oh wow, they actually put a full size in here. That's really cool. Again, it is skincare. I know a lot of brands, I know a lot of places like to put skincare in boxes. Some people really love it. I get kind of overwhelmed. But let's take a look at this. It's actually really pretty packaging. Smells like a super green tropical smoothie milkshake. Like you're eating like healthy milkshakes, healthy smoothies. That's what this smells like. Now, I have gotten grief every single time I do any sort of unboxing. I get a lot of grief like, you need to keep this, and I mean, gosh, I could just show you the comments alone that I got in my last video where someone's like, don't come for me, but why do brands send you boxes if you choose not to keep it? That's just wasted product. I did go on their Twitter. I got a little petty one on their Twitter, and you could just see them bashing like Jeffree Star, bashing other people, and then they're commenting how they really want free products. So I think it just came more out of jealousy. I just kind of like told them they have a great day. Obviously, they don't watch my content, but I don't like being wasteful in any way, shape, or form. I tell you guys that every single time. I literally get these comments all the time, and I just don't like being wasteful. And if there are products in here that I know I'm not going to use, why not just go ahead and pass along to somebody who will? So as cool as like this would be to try, especially since it's full size, it is a illuminating serum. I'm very, very oily. I don't gear towards anything that's dewy and illuminating because it just really enhances my oil. So I'm going to go ahead and put this into my No Waste Wednesday, but I do really appreciate the fact that it is full of all natural ingredients. Like you see a whole side right here that tells you everything that's in this, but I just know that I'm not going to get a use out of this serum when I actually have serum that I use from Good Molecules, that they customize that serum to fit my particular skin needs, and I love it so much. So I'm going to go ahead and pass this along, but I do think it's really cool they put a full size in here. Next, we have this Generation Clay Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask, packed with superfruit, Davidson plum, desert lime, bilberry, and aloe vera. This gentle version of skin exfoliating alpha hydroxy acid AHA rejuvenates dull, tired skin while lightening dark circles and pigmentation. So this is the deluxe size right here that retails for $14.44, but the full size of this retails for $21.50. So not too much of a difference. I do like trying different clay masks, and this is actually made in Australia. So I'm definitely gonna wanna give this a go, especially since it's like ultraviolet. I hope it looks like really pretty in the skin, but this feels like it's almost the full size. There really isn't too much difference between the full size and the deluxe size right here. So that's exciting. Okay, cool. Next, we have this face mask. This is a Radiant Glow Gel Mask from Ona, New York. This retails for $9. It's the full size, and it says it's formulated with plant ingredients native to Russia and Northeast Asia. This refined hydrogel mask will even out complexion, rid of impurities, and restore a youthful glow for a comfortable fit and non-slippy quality makeup. All right, so again, it is more skincare. I do not do well with face masks. They look great on me. It is time. Oh my god, first off, it smells intoxicating, but that's how I said the entire time. They're just not my cup of tea. I don't really do well with face masks. They don't really fit my face. I have a really tiny head, so I'm gonna go ahead and add this to my No Waste Wednesday as well. All right, last but not least, we have a KVD Vegan Beauty Studded Kiss Cream Lipstick in the shade Lovecraft. The deluxe size is worth $14, and the full size is $20. So this is it right here. God, it's a little itty bitty. Oh my gosh, but it's actually a really beautiful color. Let me go and swatch this. Ooh, that's really, really, really pretty. I'm definitely going to give this a go because I have not tried any of KVD's new line and new formulas since the brand switched over and not repackaged, but just kind of reformulated themselves and tried to branch away from their former owners. So that's actually really, really cool to try out. I have definitely got to say that this box had a little bit more variation. There's 2 makeup items, 3 skincare. So I do wish it was a little bit of the opposite. I do wish it was 3 makeup items and 2 skincare items, but I do like the fact they're starting to incorporate makeup back in this box, because for the last 2 boxes, I feel like it's been mostly skincare. So I do think it's cool that they are trying to incorporate makeup back in the boxes, and I really have to say that I really just love the packaging on this. This is such a beautiful box. Like, I can store so much goodies in this. This is gorgeous. I really do like that. Ooh, this one's called Enchanted Spirit Beauty Tales. Oh my god, this is so freaking gorgeous. I freaking love the packaging. It is so cute. I cannot get over it. Okay. So on the inside, we should still have like the same theme on the inside. We should still have the same product. So in here we do have the exact same products right in here. So I do think it's really cool that I have 2 different themes right here, same exact items, but since I don't need duplicates of anything, I'm gonna start to add these items into my No Waste Wednesday. I think I might actually just keep this bad boy right here. I think I'm just gonna really just give it a try. I should try it out. I know that it's not necessarily particularly for my skin type, but maybe it'd be good to try it out. You never know, I might be able to make it work. So I'll try this for sure, but I think it's really cool how they designed this box. I think it's super cute, and I'm gonna go ahead and fold this up because I do wanna have this be a part of my No Waste Wednesdays so that somebody can get this beautifully designed box. I think it's absolutely pretty. So I think that's really pretty that they have these 2 right here. Now, I have got to say that I do like Glossybox. I really do. I just wish that they would start to incorporate more makeup items, especially since they're coming from the UK. It's a great way for us Americans to try out new products that we necessarily won't be able to get our hands on. And so far, I mean, like, I believe that an August box was like their birthday edition box. I really, really liked that box. It was cool because it had stuff that was different. It had like a hairbrush, and they had other goodies in there that weren't just like skincare. So as much as I'm really, really appreciative they sent me this box, I do wish they would start to step it up a little bit more and start putting more makeup and a little less skincare. But other than that, I do love their packaging. I do love how they really kind of incorporate everything, make it a theme together. Like everything kind of had like a purple theme to it. Very beautiful. They design it very, very well. They make really gorgeous boxes. They package it very well. And they put like in detail, which I really, really appreciate, details about the product. Whether or not you got a full size or a deluxe mini. And they also tell you what the deluxe mini price point is. That is so fantastic for somebody like me who constantly does unboxings to not have to add up the value of the box every single time, to have it already done for me. I really, really appreciate that so much. I like how they lay it out. They design it very, very well. They do a good job of taking care of this. I do wish their price point was a little bit cheaper. If it was $16 a month, then this would be totally worth it. It's a little pricey for what they're offering at $21 a month, but the reason why it is $21 is because when they ship it over here, it's free shipping. So I think they kind of include the shipping price in total, because I know that when this is sold over in the UK, it is like a $10 box from what I've been told by my subscribers. So that's something to definitely take note, that your shipping is included in that price point, and that if you do use my code for your first box, it is $16. You can just sign up for one box. You can't just pay for one box, or you can sign up just for the whole year. It's completely up to you. But I'll leave the information about the box definitely down below. But that is so cool, and I cannot thank Glossybox enough for sending this my way. These are some beautiful, beautiful boxes, and I can't wait to get this inside somebody's hands so they can really appreciate this. But yeah, guys, that is it for today's video, guys. Very short video, just because I don't ever really do try-ons. I do want to say that I do have a giveaway going on right now on my Instagram. It literally ends tomorrow. It is my No Waste Wednesday. I have literally gotten at least 1,200 comments on there. I do want to let you guys know that I have gotten multiple comments. If you guys just want to if you guys are bored and just want to go look at that comment section, there are people who literally comment 10 times in a row because I think that ups their chance of winning. The system that I use to pick my winner, I literally filter out duplicate comments. Even when they try to change it up, I literally do filter out duplicate comments and duplicate usernames so that it literally is a fair giveaway. So please do not spam the giveaway. Please do not DM me. I have to say this every time, and it's just redundant at this point that I have to repeat myself, but I do because people just don't listen. But I'm so excited to give that box away. I'll be picking the winner for the YouTube and the Instagram channel tomorrow night, so make sure you guys go check that out if you guys have not already. And yeah, guys, that is it for today's video, guys. If you guys like this video, please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, because I do post every day, every other day, just depending. Also, make sure you guys head on over to my other channels, All for Life. You guys can see my cool, wonderful adventures of amazing fiance Corey. And as always, guys, I just want to thank you guys for all your love and support. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Different designs, so you already know that one of these boxers are going straight. No. I do wish it'd be the opposite. I do wish that it was three makeups and said, but I'll leave them definitely. Service is actually based on in the UK. I'll try that, and then I'll put everything, which free shipping, I believe. 25% boxes get sent out. Wow, I didn't mess up. How crazy is that?